Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2026 Chevrolet Equinox LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really nice shape. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, looks super nice. Grill's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the headlamps. Passenger side, beautiful shape. Lower light, beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful condition. Look at that, very nice. Take a look at the other headlamp. Beautiful shape. Hood's in beautiful condition. Super nice, looks amazing. Very nice condition. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Driver door, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Rear door on the driver's side, amazing condition, super clean. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape, looks very nice. Glass is in beautiful condition. Rear bumper has parking sensors on it, very nice. Take a look at the quarter panel here on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Does have a dent right up here. Besides, that's in really nice shape. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Front fender, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the windshield real quick. Windshield's in great shape. Does have a little chip right there. Besides, that looks good. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in great shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Really great shape. Very nice. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, very nice. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in great shape. Really nice condition. Take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Beautiful display on the dash, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel here on the passenger side front. Beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice. Passenger seat in the front, beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Really beautiful vehicle inside. Look at that. We're taking a look at the rear door panel here on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Rear seat's in amazing condition. Super clean, very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, super nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel here on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really outstanding shape. Looks amazing. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2026 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Take a look at the key fob. Lock and lock, remote start, and panic. GM key. We're going to set it down here in the cup holder. This one has a push button start right here. We're going to start it right up. Very nice. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing condition. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look here. This one has 20,064 miles. 20,064 miles. Beautiful display. It shows you the tire pressure sensors there, miles per hour. It'll show you whatever you have on the audio turned on. 112 miles till empty. It's in park, and it shows you the seat belts that are clipped in. Super nice. So this has a little button here. You can click on this button right here, and you can select a different screen. So right there, it's showing you the navigation map. Look at that. That is super cool. Click it again. That's the collision detection in the front and the lane alert. Super nice. Look at that. So when we go back here to the main page, this one here on the navigation, you could actually still see the miles per hour, the fuel, and the odometer on there. That is so nice. All right, we're gonna put it back on the original screen. Here we go. Very nice. All right, so we're looking at here, this is the parking release, the engine bypass, and the dimmer. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, very nice. Steering wheel's leather wrapped, looks really nice, super sharp, beautiful condition. You can see here, that's for the cruise control, I believe. Yes, this is the cruise control right here. This is the collision detection in the front. You can set up the distance, the gap. See that? You change that. Super nice. So we'll leave it further away. Front and rear wiper controls. This is to put it in gear. So when you push down, it goes in drive. When you push up, it goes in reverse. When you put it in the middle here, you park it right there. Very nice. And to put it in neutral, you just press forward like that. It goes right in neutral. And then this is to park. So this has paddle shifters here on the steering wheel, so you can shift the paddle right here to drive it manually. Super nice. Beautiful condition. Dashboard looks amazing. Look at that, clean throughout. Beautiful display. Really nice. Take a look down here. We have a couple USBs. Little storage space there. Another little storage space there. Cup holders here. Look at that. Little storage back there. So this one has different drive modes. So we're going to go through them now. Check it out. That's snow and ice. Turn it again. Normal. Turn it again. Snow and ice. Super nice. So we'll leave it on normal for now. These are the modes right here. You change from there. Okay, that's super nice. AC controls. Take a look. Temperature. Fan. This one has heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. That's a nice feature. Okay, then you have the rest of the controls there. Taking a look above here. Vehicle stats, my Chevrolet, Play Store, Google Maps, audio, Wi-Fi settings, settings for the vehicle, and the camera settings. So we're going to go here to, we're on home right now. Okay, then I also have a couple more settings here. Google Assist, News, Controls. So check it out right there. Right there you can click on that. So right there, that's the maps right there. That's really nice. So you click it there, show you the maps there. Then whatever you have on the radio will show up here. That's super nice. So we're gonna put on FM right now. We'll put it right there, low. And then you can select the source, whatever source you like, Bluetooth, XM radio, AM, FM, USB, or news. So we'll leave it on FM there for now. That is super nice. So it is a touch screen. The great thing about it is you can turn the volume from here. That's super nice. So if we go back to that screen again, you'll be able to see the radio station it's on, and on this side here you could see the map. So that's super nice. So click there, that's the navigation map. This is to pair your phone. And these are the settings here, the dome light, the power windows lockout, traction control, camera, high beams, and parking assist. Super nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and leave it back on this screen here. Fantastic, beautiful condition. All right, take a look up above here. We have our courtesy lights here, check it out. Two of them, they're LED. Your OnStar buttons, your passenger airbag. Take a look at the liner. Liner looks good. Really nice condition. We'll take a look on this side in a minute. Visors are in great shape right there. You have your visors with lights on both sides. Liner on this side looks good also. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay. All right, that pretty much concludes the interior. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. All right, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. Beautiful display. I'm going to switch it over to the navigation screen one. Look at that, how cool that is. That is super nice. Really nice drive. Okay, then test the brakes here. Come to a full stop. Amazing. All right, there you go. Really nice acceleration on this one. Feels super nice. Super quick, look at that. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to check out our backup camera. And as soon as we do that, we'll complete our test drive. Okay, put in reverse. Here we go. Super nice. Turn the steering wheel here, let it roll back. Go. Those little lines there show you which way the tires are going to roll back. And we're backing up. Perfect. Here we go. So this one has the seats vibrating now, letting me know I'm getting too close to those bushes there on that side there. You can have the seat vibrate, or you can have it beep. Right now it's set for vibration. So you got a little triangle letting you know down there you're getting too close. And then also the screen comes up here showing you that you're getting too close to those bushes. So the further back I go, the more it'll vibrate the seat. That's pretty much it. All right, that concludes our test drive on this one. Super nice. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine and take a look at the cargo space in the back and also the tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Little LED light there, very nice. Another LED light there with a power plug. Rug back here is in beautiful shape. Down beneath here, it's got a little bit of storage there. Really nice. And beneath that, you have the spare tire with all the tools. Super nice condition. Very nice. Clean throughout. All right, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at this. Very nice shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Looks amazing. Bottom of the hood looks good. Really nice. Take a look at the emission sticker. Beautiful condition. We're taking a look at the front tire here on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in amazing shape. Look at that. Very nice. We're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. We're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side has a bunch of tread on there. Look at that. Very nice tread. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here on the passenger side. Tire's in great condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2026 Chevrolet Equinox LT model. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great. usedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.